Oh no! That's what I ate?
Alright everybody, it's time for Pie or Die.
It's pie or die.
It's time to display the votes. Wait, were those laxatives? Coffee did it. Blueberry's eliminated. Ah, it's nice to be back and respawn. Anyway, the challenge today is a battle royale. Let me get in my bunker. Alright, go ahead.
Well, it seems everybody's going toward Nuke.
I can't afford to lose again on my team!
Allahu Akbar!
Oh yeah, by the way, Soap, your team's up for elimination again. Wanna know why? You died first. Viewers, vote in the comments below with a letter in square brackets on who you want to be eliminated.